Good morning, Panda class. Good morning also, Mommy and Daddy. How are you today? I hope you're okay, right? And also, Teacher Joan is good. What Teacher Joan wear? Do you know what is this? Yes, you're right. Teacher Joan wearing glasses. And what glasses starts? Starts with letter G. Yes, you're right. And do you know what is this? I have a gift, right? Oh, and gift starts with letter G. Well done. Oh, what's inside? What's inside in my gift? I will open it. Oh, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, you're right. It's a grape. And grape starts with letter G. Very good. Oh, what is this? What color? Do you know what color is this? You're right. It's color gold. And gold starts with letter G. Good job, everyone. Oh, what is this? Do you know what animals is this? What is the sound of the animals? Look. Meh, meh. Yes, you're right. It's a goat. And goat starts with letter G. Well done. Oh, what color is this? Do you know what color is this? Good job. It's color green. And green starts with letter G. Good job, everyone. And in your Pack 7, activity number 1, we will make a gumball. And gumball starts with letter G. You're right. And do you know what is the sound of letter G? G has the sound of ga, ga, ga. Can you repeat me? G has the sound of ga, ga, ga. Good job! And now, you get your pencil. I will show you how to write letter G. Starts from the top, going down slowly. Oh, go to the middle and straight. Wow, good job. And now, you have letter G. You know how to write. Okay? In your pack, you have letter G. One color red. And also this one, you have... Oh, what is this? Later, we will show you what is this. And 6 small pom-poms. And also, you have big. And you can use also this one in your Gumball Machine. At home, you need only glue because we need to stick to make a Gumball Machine. I will get the letter G and we will stick the pom-poms. It's up to you, kids, because you have big and small. So it's up to you where did you stick and what color you like to put. Alright? Oh, so 1, 2. Are you excited? Oh, what color is this? You're right. It's green. Oh. How about this one? What color? Well done. It's color blue. What is this? What color? Good job. It's orange. Oh. So nice. What color? Very good. It's color green. Oh, look at this one. I have now a letter G with the gumballs. Look at this. Wow. And next, we will put this one. We make a try first. So Teacher Joan, stick. You get the red one and you can stick it. Alright? Okay, slowly. I'm sure you like this activity. You see? You can also play this one at home. You see? Okay. And you stick this one. This one you can use for, you can press ping, ping, ping. Oh, you put the coin to get the balls. After this, if you finish this one, you put your letter G with the ball slowly. You ask also, okay, wait. You ask also mommy or daddy, you cut this one side. One side, you cut. You ask mommy and daddy. Alright? Then, you can put now your letter G. Alright? Look at this one. And the last one, we will put the lid. So that can look nice. Okay. Oh, look at this. Oh. We have now our own Gumball machine. Wow. Oh, slowly. Sometimes it fall down, but you can put more glue. Where? Can you show Teacher Joan where? Okay. Here. And the last one is, get this one and stick it. The lid here. Okay. So this one is your lid or the cover of your Gumball machine. And now, wow! It's finished now. You see? Then you press her, prong, prang, prang. Then the gumballs will down. Gumballs will down. Prang, prang, prang. Oh, looks so nice. I hope you enjoy this activity. See you next time. We miss you, Panda class.